it's gonna look a little dark. Okay, so straight up from come on, bro. From Brooklyn Banks in my hand, across the street from Smith Houses. I came here because it's the iconic spot for you know the skaters and BMXers, whatever. I'm doing a updated bike check for 2024 kink backwoods. Kink, the backwoods frame. So, let's see if I got it yet. So, I did a few changes to the bike. The blue one I got no more. The blue one is gone. Only thing I got on this, I changed the tires. The tires I went from Brockwayford Odyssey to BSD Alex Donnachie Donnastreet. So and so I could get the donnastreets with the foldables. That's gonna be my I'll probably do a separate video on the foldables when I get them. Right now the changes I made to the bike, shout outs to Brad Moore and Alienation, the brakes, Alienation brakes, with the bearings in it. I got the Stevie Churchill cranks with the bottom bracket, Odyssey, gyro, BSD leveled stand with the Alex Donnachie handlebars, 9.5 rise, Brockwayford grips, Odyssey levers until Alienation come out with the levers. Because when Alienation come out with the levers, I'm gonna throw the levers on. I got the Odyssey T-post clamp, Primo Pro Fat seat. I got the Stevie Churchill seat also, but it's in my house. So I don't know if I want to throw that on yet. I got the BSD root tube. I think these are 4.5s. The XLs, the root tube BSD XL pegs. I got the eclat trippin wheel with the cortex front hub, and the rear hub it's the shift freecoaster. But I'm gonna upgrade these wheels because I don't trust the rim. I wish they would have just done the 440 and the 440 wheel, and the Bondi wheel instead of making these. I don't like nothing triple pin, double pin, pin in general. So I got the Odyssey Utility Pro sprocket. I got the eclat Seeker pedals, and the frame is the kink backwoods 21. That's about it. Just that I would love for kink to change the chainstay, make it like the Hobie Dome frame that they had, the roll-up frame. I wish they would do it to this, like the chainstay yoke, because I love that style. It looks so sick when on the bike, like when they put that on his bike. The only reason I never got that frame, you can't remove the seat post clamp, so it's like integrated. I don't want to integrate it. I want it removable, and of course I got the Odyssey F25 fork for front brakes, and Odyssey gtx-s gyro, and Odyssey cables. Oh, and Stevie Churchill headset. Stevie Churchill. So yeah, that's about it. The tires, the Alex Donnachie tires, they're like 2.3, but these are the wire bead. This is not the. It's not the foldables. I wish I saw the foldables after I ordered these. So I'm gonna go back to 2.4 because these look like a 2.4 could fit. Hopefully it's not that big like Odyssey's tires. So yeah, so I had a situation with my brakes too. I had to get the black pads, the black let me get it closer. I had to change the black pads. I had to change to the black pads because the for some reason I'm not talking to myself. For some reason the clear pads don't want to work on these wheels, so they will make the brake arms move, like it'll move, because the brakes will try to grab, but since eclat paint their rims with that glossy, it's kind of hard to stop with clear pads because they just slick. So my problem that I was having, that I'm not having now, is the bearings was coming out. It was wiggling out. The brake arm was wiggling out the bearing because of the clear pads. So I went with the alienation black pads. It doesn't stop like instantly, but they work. They still work. I just gotta adjust it where it got enough of the rim, but I don't want it to be too high because I'm running the rear end close to slam. Probably like maybe it's 13.5 slam, so it's probably at 13.75 maybe. So yeah, so that's basically all the parts that I put on it, that I updated. Besides the wheels, I still gotta get the Bondi wheels. I don't know when I'm gonna get them. I'll probably get the front one with the oversized front hub. And and the chain I took off the BSD chain, and I put the Odyssey bluebird half link chain. So that's how I'm running it now. Well, hopefully I could get the levers come out soon from alienation. Hopefully they come out with the levers so I could get them. because I'm dying to get them, because they got bearings on the pivot, like right here on the pivot is bearings. So on the alienation ones, so hopefully I could get them soon, and then I gotta focus on getting the wheels. But I'm definitely, as soon as I can, I'm gonna get the Alex Donnachie tires, the Donnastreets foldables in 2.4, because I'm not comfortable with 2.3 anymore. Like I feel like these tires right here, the tires themselves, they're too thin, but they're like kind of harder than the I guess the material. It's a lot beefier in terms of the material than the eclat fireballs. Because the eclat fireballs was a good tire. I like them tires, but they're hard as hell. So you can run it at 20 psi, and they still keep their shape. It doesn't even look like you're riding on the rim. So yeah, I'm over here chilling in Brooklyn Banks because I didn't want to do this bike check in Staten Island. So yeah, this is for the YouTube audience. Yeah, so that's about it with the bike. Just that I'm trying to get. I would love to see the frame be redone. The kink backwoods frame, if they're gonna continue it, they still have the frames available, but they haven't made anything new. It's still the 2024 frame. So they got this gray one and the black one, and this is the iron gray. They got the burn green or something like that it's called, and they got the black one. But I would love kink if they could do the chainstay yoke, just like Western Cast chainstay yoke, like the Hobie Dome frame that they had, the roll-up frame. But keep everything else the same. If they could keep everything else the same, just change the chainstay yoke, because I just like the way it looks. So yeah. But my other kink backwoods is gone. So I gave it to my friend. So he's gonna. I guess he wants to come out here because I really want him to come out here. So he had gotten rid of his. So now he got he's gonna basically keep the one that I brought off him, and he's gonna keep that one, and then we hopefully he'll come down when he can. He'll come down over here on his day off. He just hit me up and we come down together and shit and just hang out over here. But yeah, but it's crazy. But this is my bike. I didn't really get this bike for doing tricks or anything like that. I used to when I not really tricks, just like staircase hops, whatever, in the plaza, whatever. But I was young. I was like 15. So I haven't done any tricks yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do tricks. I'm kind of always in pain. I got health issues. That's a whole nother video. But I got health issues, but I just love riding. Keep your circulation flowing. So I just love bikes. I love doing exercise on bikes. It's like being on a treadmill in the gym. If you go to the gym and you go on a treadmill, it's the same thing, you're pedaling. But on a treadmill, you're not slamming your foot all the time. So this is much easier when it comes to like, instead of me walking a lot or jogging, I'd rather just ride. So it's the same thing. So chainring 20. I did buy the smaller version, the 25 again. I did get it, but I didn't like how it felt. The acceleration was ridiculous, but I felt like, you know, going downhill is gonna make you go over the bars, because you're gonna forget that you got a 25 tooth and you're just gonna pedal and it's just gonna swing too much and you're just gonna go forward. So yeah, so that's it. I just wanted to do a bike check. This bike check in Brooklyn Banks. So the infamous Brooklyn Banks. Okay. Where Anthony Panza was in July 26th. So yeah, but this is the video. I got 17 minutes already. I wish the guys was here, Spliffy and them, but they're not here. I don't think I'm gonna stay too long. I'm probably gonna go back to the Forgotten Borough. I would love to live there. That would be nice to live in. Fucking Smith houses. Like you right across the street from the skate park, bro. Like how good could that be? You can't get any better than that. So I'm hoping that I could find a place over here, but I doubt it. But that's the bike check. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to Kink for making a New York frame. It's a New York frame. And shout outs to Odyssey. Even though I would love for them to do their brakes a lot better, they need to update the brakes. Even the levers, they need to update the levers. But shout out to Odyssey, Kink, Primo, BSD. That's basically all the parts that I'm running. Primo, Odyssey, BSD, eclat. When I get the Bondi wheels, I'm gonna be so happy. And Kink BMX, basically the frame, because that's what I'm riding. So this is what the frame I like. I don't like the other ones. Oh, they need to weld this part too, so no moisture get in there on the frame. They need to weld this part right here. So I'm shocked they didn't weld that, because I could see rust through it. So you know, I don't know. That could be a weak spot that can't. I don't know, but it could crack from there for some reason. I don't know. I'm not an engineer, so I really can't say much about it. But I think they should have welded that part. It would have been nice. Yeah. So hopefully they come out with they do the chainstay yoke for like the roller frame, and they copy that, put it on this frame. Just the chainstay yoke. Everything else they could leave the same. If they're gonna keep the name backwards, it would be good. If they don't keep the name backwards, I would call it Rochester, Kink BMX Rochester or some shit. But yeah, but you know, I still gotta hit them up. Hopefully they'll listen to me, because I don't want to buy no other company frame. I kind of like the Kink. I don't want to buy no other frame, so I just want them to change that part, the bottom part. It's not a big deal, but it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, so that's about it. So I just wanted to do this bike check in the infamous Brooklyn Banks spot. So yeah, catch you guys next time. More videos coming up. I don't do it every day, but you know, when I can, I'll put up videos. So peace.